Hi guys, it's Miss Lindberg here, and I am going to read you a story called I'm Happy Sad Today. And this is about having kind of mixed up emotions and not just being one or the other, but feeling multiple things at the same time. Sometimes I feel a different kind of happy. When I'm cozy in my favorite spot, with my favorite book, I'm the quiet kind of happy. Other times, I feel sad. Once I was sick and couldn't go to my friend's birthday party. I had a crying nothing's right sort of sad. The next day, our neighbors moved away. I was a different kind of sad. I didn't smile for that whole day, or even part of the next day. Lots of times, I have more than one feeling inside of me. Like when my mom picks me up at school and I have to stop playing. I'm happy to see her, but sad to leave my friends. I say, Mom, I'm happy sad together. The morning I walked into my new classroom for the very first time, I felt scared and brave together. Lots of people feel that way sometimes. Last week, I was friendly and shy at once. I felt too shy to talk to the new girl, even when I gave her a friendly smile. Sometimes I feel nervous and excited at the same time. That's how I felt about my first sleepover. I was nervous for 2 whole days before it was time to go, and excited too. When I fell down at the playground, I wasn't sure how I felt or what I wanted. Part of me wanted to be picked up like a little kid. Another part of me wanted to get right up and keep climbing. I had a little kid feeling and a big kid feeling mixed together. I had big feelings when my baby brother was born. I was proud to be a big sister. And I was jealous of all the attention he was getting. I had a proud and jealous feelings inside of me. That was confusing. Last week, I learned to cut out a circle with scissors. I couldn't cut a curvy line on my first try. I was frustrated. I didn't want any help. I was determined to keep trying. Finally, I did it. When I have more than one feeling inside of me, I don't have to choose just one. I know that all my feelings are okay at the same time. If I want to, I can tell my friend about my feelings. Or I can tell a grown up about my feelings. I can say what happened and how I feel. Sometimes I don't even have to talk. I can just be with someone and feel better. Sometimes when my feelings are mixed together, I like to pretend. I can pretend my animals have the same feelings I do. I can dance and swirl around, just like my feelings swirl inside of me. Moving helps me feel better. I can even paint two pictures at the same time to show those feelings together feelings. I make up my own words for my together feelings sometimes. If I'm sad and mad together, I can say I'm smad. Or if I am feeling shy and happy, I say I'm shappy. I can make up a lot of pretend feeling words. And you know what? When I'm older, sometimes I'll still have different feelings mixed together inside of me. And that's okay. Well, thank you for listening.